Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of Bybit's promo codes and how you can maximize your trading benefits. We'll cover everything from using promo codes, registering, and understanding the fees involved. And don't forget, if you decide to sign up, use our referral code KAKA for exclusive bonuses. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Bybit itself. Founded in 2018, Bybit has quickly become a major player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, Bybit offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. So, what exactly is a Bybit promo code? Promo codes are special codes provided by Bybit that you can use during registration to unlock various bonuses. These can range from welcome bonuses for new users, deposit bonuses, trading fee discounts, and more. Now, let's dive into the types of bonuses you can get with a Bybit promo code. First, there are welcome bonuses for new users, giving you a great start when you join. Then there are deposit bonuses that add extra funds to your account when you make a deposit. Trading fee discounts help you save on every trade you make. Lastly, Bybit often has special event bonuses and promotions that you definitely don't want to miss. These bonuses can make a significant difference in your trading journey, providing you with extra funds and reduced costs. So, how do you use a Bybit promo code? It's simple. Let's go through the process step by step. First, visit the Bybit website or download their app. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. Make sure to enter our promo code KAKA during the registration process to access the exclusive bonuses. Once you've signed up, you can start participating in various bonus programs by meeting the required criteria, such as making a deposit or completing a trade. Bybit makes it easy to earn and maximize these bonuses, so be sure to check out their promotions page regularly. Next, let's talk about trading fees. Bybit offers some of the lowest trading fees in the industry, starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token, BIT, for trading. This makes Bybit an attractive option for both small and large traders. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, making it an attractive option for traders of all sizes. Comparing Bybit's fees to other major exchanges, it's clear that Bybit provides a very competitive fee structure. Bybit is packed with features and services to meet all your trading needs. They support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the latest altcoins. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, margin trading, or even staking, Bybit has got you covered. Other great features include Bybit Earn, where you can stake your coins and earn interest, and the Bybit Launchpad, which provides early access to promising new projects. The user interface on Bybit is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and Bybit doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, Bybit has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Security is a top priority for Bybit. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for any serious trader. Bybit also conducts regular security audits to ensure the platform remains secure. Their insurance fund is another great feature that provides peace of mind. Bybit is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that Bybit remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using Bybit? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making Bybit a top choice for crypto traders. To wrap things up, Bybit is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Bybit has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our Bybit promo code KAKA when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used Bybit and what your experience has been. Happy trading with Bybit. Until next time, happy trading with Bybit. And don't forget to use the promo code KAKA